In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Dde Server Window Onedrive.exe application error in Windows 10 and 11. This error can be a bit pesky, but don't worry, I've got you covered with a straightforward guide that will help you resolve this issue quickly and effectively. First, you'll want to ensure that you have saved all your important documents and closed any open files. This is crucial because you'll be restarting your PC later, and you don't want to lose any unsaved progress. Now, let's begin by checking your OneDrive process. Head over to your taskbar, typically at the bottom of your screen, and look for the OneDrive icon, which looks like a little cloud. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to click the small upwards arrow to reveal hidden icons. Once you find it, right-click on the icon and from the menu, select Close OneDrive to fully exit the application. This step ensures that the process is not interfering while you troubleshoot. Next, you're going to restart OneDrive. To do this, go back to your Start menu and type OneDrive in the search bar. Once you see it in the results, click to open it. This should restart the application and, in many cases, may immediately fix the Dde Server Window error. If the problem persists, though, let's try another method. Sometimes, the issue can be caused by startup conflicts. So, let's explore how to disable OneDrive from your system startup program list. Open your Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager from the context menu, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Once you're in, navigate to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of programs that start with your computer. Find Microsoft OneDrive in the list, right-click on it, and choose Disable. This step ensures OneDrive isn't causing a conflict when your computer starts up. After you've disabled OneDrive, it's time to restart your computer to see if this resolves the error. Click on your Start menu, select the power icon, and choose Restart. Once your computer has booted up again, repeat the process to manually start OneDrive from the Start menu, as you did before. If you're still experiencing the error after trying all these steps, there could be deeper underlying issues with your Windows system files. In this case, I recommend running a system file check. Open your Start menu once more, type a CMD into the search bar, and when command prompt appears, make sure to run it as an administrator. Inside the command prompt window, type SFC scan now, and hit enter. This system file checker will scan and automatically repair any corrupted files. By now, your system should be free from the Dde Server Window error, and your OneDrive should be functioning smoothly. Thank you for following along, and I hope these steps help you resolve the issue. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below.